Welcome to the Maine Department of Education New Meal Pattern Educational Series. Today we are going to talk about how to credit vegetables and fruits in the National School Lunch Program. The most difficult task for crediting vegetables is determining how much to buy or converting the weight into volume, since the new meal pattern requirements are in half, 3/4, or 1 cup measurements. When crediting vegetable subgroups in vegetable mixtures, such as peas and carrots, you must know the amounts that each subgroup contributes per serving, and the same goes with entrees that contain vegetable mixtures. If you cannot determine the amounts of each subgroup per serving, you must credit the total vegetable amount as additional vegetables. Remember that raw leafy greens credit as half of their volume, and 1/8 of a cup of fruit or vegetable is the smallest credible amount. Now, let's look at example 1. Using the food buying guide, we can convert the weight of untrimmed broccoli into 1/4 cup servings. The number in the blue circle refers to how you buy the product, so this is telling us that broccoli is purchased by the pound. The information in the green circle tells us the serving size, which is 1/4 of a cup, and how the product will be prepared. So let's say that we want to convert broccoli from pounds to a certain number of 1/4 cup servings of raw broccoli for our salad bar. The number in red tells us that we can get 9.8 1/4 cup ready-to-eat servings out of 1 pound of raw untrimmed broccoli. The information in the purple circle tells us that every pound of raw broccoli that we purchase equals 0.81 pounds of edible portion. This is because we cut, trim, and process the broccoli. For example, if we knew that we needed 50 1/4 cup servings of raw broccoli for our salad bar, and we know from the food buying guide that every pound of raw broccoli gives us 9.8 1/4 cup servings, we would take the 50 servings and divide it by 9.8. This will tell us the total number of pounds we need to purchase to get 50 servings. So we would need to purchase 5.1 pounds of raw untrimmed broccoli to give us 50 1/4 cup ready-to-eat servings. What if we wanted a 1/2 cup servings instead of 1/4 cup servings for our salad bar? We know from the previous example that every pound of raw broccoli gives us 9.8 1/4 cup servings. In order to get 1/2 cup servings, we would divide 9.8 by 2, which would give us 4.9 1/2 cup servings per pound. We would take the 50 servings and divide it by 4.9 instead of 9.8. So we would need to purchase 10.2 pounds of raw untrimmed broccoli to give us 50 1/2 cup ready-to-eat servings. Now we are going to discuss a second example. Notice that the food buying guide will also provide information on canned goods. In this case, we will purchase corn in number 10 cans. Each number 10 can provides us with 34.1 1/4 cup servings. These 1/4 cup servings are specifically for heated and drained corn. Now we are going to talk about crediting fruit. Fresh fruit is credited by count, or the number of pieces per purchase unit. The sizes and fruit contribution of apples, bananas, oranges, etc. will vary depending on their count. Canned fruit can be credited based on a full portion of strained fruit or a combination of fruit and juice. Now let's discuss a fruit example. In this case, we choose a 150 count banana and find that 1 banana equals a 1/2 cup fruit. The smaller the count, the larger the piece of fruit will be, and it will likely credit as more. Let's look at another example of a popular fresh fruit. Here we have a 125 count orange, and we can see in column 4 that each 125 count orange is equal to 5/8 cup of fruit. All of the necessary links to resources provided in this video are available in the video's description. Thank you. Please visit our website for more information on Maine child nutrition programs.